Looking for a perfect weekend in Tampa Bay? Whether you're craving new flavors, a thrilling adventure, or a sunny escape, Tampa Bay offers a little something for everyone. Tampa Bay includes Tampa, Clearwater, and St. Petersburg, each offering unique attractions and coastal charm. We're sharing the fun things to do in Tampa Bay and a glimpse of what your perfect weekend could look like. Start your weekend at Armature Works, an industrial-chic food hall on the Tampa riverfront. Get breakfast from one of the local vendors. The outdoor seating is perfect for enjoying a view of the Hillsborough River. Next, stroll along the Tampa Riverwalk. This scenic path is about 2 miles and connects some of the city's best parks, museums, and restaurants. Spot pelicans and egrets along the way. Cool down at the sail on the Riverwalk. Sip drinks, enjoy the Gulf breeze, and watch the boats go by in the bay. Enjoy the rich culture of Ybor City, which was influenced by Cuba, Italy, and Spain. Learn about the historical cigar industry. Then savor a café con leche at Carmine's on 7th Avenue. For lunch, enjoy Spanish and Cuban-inspired cuisine at the iconic and original Columbia restaurant. Opened in 1905, Columbia is Florida's oldest restaurant. Afterward, head over to the Gulf Coast beaches. St. Pete Beach and Clearwater Beach are famous for soft sand and crystal clear waters, perfect for sunbathing and swimming. Or try paddleboarding at Harbor Island. Rentals are available for 1 to 4 hours. Art lovers will want to venture to the Dali Museum in St. Pete. The museum's architecture is as captivating as the Salvador Dali collection it houses. Wander the tranquil Dali Garden, filled with sculptures inspired by Dali's surreal work. For thrill seekers, Busch Gardens offers adrenaline-packed experiences with some of the most epic roller coasters. Beyond the coasters, you can embark on unforgettable wildlife encounters, like feeding towering giraffes, getting up close with sloths, and watching zebras roam. Families will love the Glazer Children's Museum. Educational exhibits and interactive activities will keep kids entertained for hours. Out front, kids can splash around the city-owned Curtis Hixon Waterpark and Splashpad. For a wild adventure, ZooTampa at Lowry Park delivers thrilling rides and amazing signature experiences like the Macaw Flyover and the Manatee Circle. Treat yourself to dinner at Eulalie, inspired by Native American and local flavors. Enjoy the gorgeous interior or dine on the lush patio while taking in views of the sculpture garden. Cap off your weekend with a sunset cruise on the Starship. Sip cocktails as you take in fantastic views of the bay. You've got to go to St. Pete Pier, a waterfront destination that offers dining options and absolutely stunning views. The pier itself is an architectural beauty. It's a spectacular way to end your stay. All right, are you ready to start planning your trip to Tampa Bay? With AAA Travel, you can connect with a travel agent or check out the trip canvas links in the description and book online. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy travel advice from AAA Travel.